Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. And in this video, I'm going to talk about how certain things in our school life are not taught, which are really very helpful in our real life. So let's get started with the video. The number one thing which I realized now when I came in my PG, that research work is very important and it applies to numerous amount of work and numerous fields. So research work is the most uh, basic thing which requires in any field. If you go in marketing, if you go in development, everywhere research is required, and even if you are building your own company, research is required. So I don't know why schools didn't taught us about research, how to do proper research. And when I check the curriculum of like some other syllabus, I don't know the curricular name, like when I okay, fine. So research is a thing research is a thing which help us to identify what has been done in the past and what would be the future predictions from our data. So now that we have all the AI tools and all the necessary help from the AI, but still the primary thing is to collect the data. Even AI can collect the data for us, but to make it understandable, like how it is applicable to our own data, research is very important. So this primary thing should be taught from our school life rather than learning in PG. So the next thing about time management. See, in our school life, we have been given certain tasks like assignments and project works. They have been given deadlines. But in real life, there is no deadline to anything. Time management is very important because not only it teaches us how to manage our work, but also how to manage our personal life. See, the other day I was working for my internship. See, whenever we have a lot of work to do, we procrastinate and we fall into the loop of we will do it tomorrow, but then tomorrow never comes. It becomes pending. So this time management thing is very different from what we have been taught in schools. We have been taught to complete it before the deadline. But in real life, there is no particular thing like deadline if you're not in any college and if you don't have any job. So you will fall into the loop where there is no deadline to you to prove yourself to do the work. So the major thing which I have learned is to manage your week. The entire calendar should be planned, and this week entire week should be taken as a whole subject rather than a day or a month, because a day is too shorter and a month is too long, but a week is the perfect point, optimal point where you can plan the thing. But the thing is, we are not planned to take the week as a subject. We have been taught to take a day and then come back home, or else certain months we have exams and then we have certain assignments to do. There is something which lacks in our schools to talk about time management. The third thing about is money and number smart. See, we have been taught mathematics in a way that it solves just solutions from the textbook. We should have been taught in a way that we could have understood numbers logically and in a very efficient way so that it becomes easy in our day-to-day life. See, majority of the students hate maths in school, and I too did that. But the thing is, why is that scary? Because it has been programmed in ourselves that it's very scary, and so that later in the life, money also becomes very scary for us. It starts from the school. You have to make the curriculum in such a way that it makes students money and as well as number smart, so that we become well educated individuals. You can do it in later on your life, but if you start from the starting, then it becomes very natural to the child. And the fourth and the last thing I feel that there has to be a subject in school to talk about design, to talk about art. See, we have been told that art is very old fashioned or there is no scope in arts. But taken that in today's digital era, we live in a world that requires something called as art. We needed art, we needed designs, we needed everything which makes it to communicate well and to present to the world. Since then, I realized that there has been a lack of connectivity which we have been taught from years to what we require today, like the skills like graphic designing. Today, when I sit and learn the concepts of graphic designing, I feel so humble because there is nothing has been taught in our previous, academics, because that is not required at the time. But in today's life, these are the things that matter. Like how is design, what is alignment, what is balance. There is nothing like such topics in our school. I know we had learned about many revolutions, many scientific experiments, but there has to be certain, uh, you know, beautiful concepts like this in our curriculum so that the next generation would not suffer and would not regret. So this is the point of the video, and I hope this video helps all the necessary, chances to make the corrections, and also to remind ourselves that there is no too late to start something, whether which point of life we are from, and we should always learn and improve ourselves, and irrespective of what we had done. But the beautiful thing is that we can do it again, and we can also take it forward. So that's it. Thank you for watching.